Welcome to the second day of learning Norwegian, a vibrant language full of rich history and culture. Today we'll equip you with essential phrases to help you navigate everyday conversations. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to greet someone, order drinks, and say your goodbyes with ease. Getting started with greetings hi in Norwegian is hei. So if you want to greet someone named Maria, you would say hei Maria. This simple phrase breaks the ice and sets a friendly tone for any conversation. To take it a step further, welcoming someone named Marius would be Velkommen Marius. Now you can make anyone feel at home. Ordering drinks is a crucial part of social interactions, and Norwegian makes it simple. Milk translates to milk, and if you're in a cafe and want milk with your coffee, you can say melk og kaffe takk, which means milk and coffee please. If you prefer coffee or tea, just say my kaffe eller tea. And for those who enjoy alcoholic beverages, beer is øl and wine is vin. You can ask for either by saying øl eller vin. When it comes to food, one of the staples you'll encounter is brød, which means bread. You can pair it with van, which is water, to say van og brød, meaning water and bread. For a more hearty combination, you might prefer øl og brød, which means beer and bread. These phrases are handy whether you're at a restaurant or a friend's home. As you wrap up your interactions, knowing how to say goodbye is just as important as a warm greeting. The word for bye is hade. So to say goodbye to Jens, you would say hadet Jens. Similarly, for Liv, you'd say hadet Liv. And don't forget to bid farewell to Thomas with hadet Thomas, and to Olivia with hadet Olivia. These farewells leave a lasting positive impression. Lastly, let's cover basic affirmations and negations. When you want to agree with someone, yes is J and no is nay. Saying ja og nay for yes and no makes it easy to express agreement or disagreement. Incorporating these into your vocabulary will make your interactions smoother and more natural. Armed with these basic phrases, you're better prepared to converse in Norwegian. Whether ordering drinks, greeting friends, or saying goodbye, these words will enhance your communication. Practice them often and you'll find yourself speaking Norwegian with greater confidence and ease. Welcome to your new linguistic adventure.